Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Rosewood, Princess Aurora fell into a deep sleep under the spell of the evil fairy Maleficent. But this time, when Aurora closed her eyes, she found herself not just sleeping, but dreaming of a marvelous world. In her dream, she woke up in a land where everyone was asleep except her. The cottages were silent, the animals lay still in the meadows, and the people of the village were in a serene slumber. At first, Aurora felt lonely, but then she grew curious and decided to explore this dreamy world. As she wandered through the quiet lanes, she heard a faint whispering breeze. "Princess Aurora," it called gently. She followed the voice to a shimmering tree in the heart of the forest. It was the Whispering Willow, a wise old tree known to hold the secrets of Dreamland. "Princess," the Whispering Willow said, "this land is under a spell and only you can wake its creatures. You must awaken them before the moonlight floods the valley, for tonight is the grand royal celebration." Aurora's heart raced with excitement and responsibility. She quickly asked, "How can I wake them all in time?" The Whispering Willow rustled its leaves and said, "Find the 3 enchanted items hidden across Dreamland: the Bell of Awakening, the Feather of Light, and the Dewdrop of Life. These will help you lift the spell." Determined to succeed, Aurora set off on her quest.